If you own a second property and you're renting this property out to a single family or individual, then you're doing it wrong. If you own a second property and you have this property listed on a vacation rental website or app, then you're really doing it wrong. Renting your home out to a single family can be costing you thousands of dollars in lost revenue every year. And if you think short-term rentals are the answer, then I'll pray for you. Between the cleaning fees, fluctuating busy seasons, and property damage, and trust me, if you haven't already experienced property damage, you will, your overall chance to make a profit can be really low. There's a much better way to maximize your profits and squeeze every nickel that you can out of every square foot that you own. Here's an example. This is a property that I own in the metro Atlanta area. It's a little over 3,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It also has a basement that I completely finished and renovated. The basement has a private entrance, a private kitchen, a full bathroom, and 2 additional bedrooms. This brings the total amount of bedrooms in this property to 6, along with 3.5 bathrooms. Now let's focus on the area of the house that generates the largest amount of revenue for me, the master bedroom. The master bedroom measures in a little bit under 200 square feet, and it has its own private bathroom. Why is this important? It's important because I'm able to rent out this bedroom for $1,150 a month. There are also 3 other bedrooms on the top level. They vary in size from 120 to 150 square feet. Each of these 3 rooms are rented out for $850 a month. Now let's move back down to the basement area. One of the bedrooms in my basement is rented out for $950 a month, and the other one is rented out for $850 a month. This brings my total rental revenue for this property up to $5,500 a month. Now let's run a comparison. If I rented this property out to a single family, the maximum rental rate that's suggested online is $2,350 a month. If I listed this property as a short-term rental, I can maybe reach a rate of $160 a night. Now let's say that I'm able to get guests for 25 nights out of a 30-day month. That brings my total up to $4,000, but you have to take the cleaning fees into account. So let's say out of those 25 nights, I needed the property cleaned 10 times. Now this is a big property. Getting this property professionally cleaned will cost me at least $150 each time. $150 times 10 will chunk a whole $1,500 out of my revenue. And that's the whole math on why it makes more sense to do a lease per room than it does for the whole property, or even to do short-term rentals. And if you replicate this formula over multiple properties, you can easily get the bag. But I'm interested to see what you guys think. Do you have a rental method that you use monthly to maximize your profits? Or maybe you have a crazy short-term rental story. Either way, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you'd like to receive more DIY tips and rental advice, go ahead and smash that subscribe button.